is 5 minutes load average, man. Mr. Rahul. This is 1 minute. This is 5 minutes. This is 15 minutes. Simple. Your average work. What happened? Your average workload, man. You are doing some work. For 1 hour, how much work you are going to complete? For 5 hours, how much work you are going to complete? For 15 hours, how much work you are going to complete? Average. I hope you got it. Very good. Super kill. So load average divided by number of cores. Very good, man. Okay. So let's see here. This is a load average. To know the per core load average, this is a 1 minute load average, right? Divided by right. So this load average, 1 minute load average, 5 minutes load average, and 15 minutes load average divided by 2 because 2 cores will have. If we having 4 cores divided by 4, then we'll get the per core load average. So I hope you got it, guys. So if you want, we can use this command to know the cores. Cat proc CPU info. Inside the CPU info, sorry guys, not cat, grep is a command. Grep load
Recording in progress.
average, right? CPU load average, right? So we have one more command called top. Top. So top is a one kind of monitoring tool, right? Then hit enter. See guys here, top is a command. So if you execute top command, you're going to get dynamic values. Time, system time, past how many hours we are using, past 22 minutes we are using this operating system, right? 2 users will have load average per minute, for 5 minutes, for 15 minutes load average. So total 492 tasks will have into our operating system. 1 is running, 491 in sleeping, 0 stop and 0 zombie. Only 1 running. See, top command it's running now. So CPU utilization, memory utilization, and swap. So here first field PID. Guys, PS command, it will print only snapshot. But top command, it will show you live details, dynamic values we can able to find out with the help of top command, like as a task manager in Windows. In task manager, we can able to find out background running tasks. Like the same way here, we'll have the top command, htop, top, and those all stuff maximum same only. So there is no much differences, right, guys? So how we need to identify means, I'll show you, let it complete. From where you need to identify 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. You doesn't have the billionaires on me. I'm saying this is for 5 minutes. This is for 15 minutes. Then make a note. That's it. Nah? So I need to prove. Definitely I will prove you. Don't worry. Okay. So without knowing this information, I am not going to teach the sessions, right? So this is for 1 minute. This is for 5 minutes. This is for 15 minutes. Okay. It was asking in interview, who's asked this question? Huh? So how we need to find out this is 1 minute, this is 5 minutes, and this is 15 minutes? No one they will ask like this question. Right? Don't choose, no issues. I will show you. Give me some time. Okay. Don't worry. I'll show you from where we need to find out those all. So here, first field is a PID. So second field, user. Then third field, PR, means priority values. NI, nice value. VIRT, virtual memory. RES, RSS, both are same. Yesterday we discussed, right? RSS and RES, both are same. And shared memory. S means status. CPU utilization, memory utilization, time, start time, and what kind of commands will have. If you need help to work with the top command, question mark, you will get the help here. Capital Z, capital B, E, small e, L, T, M. So those all the options will have, we can able to manage the top details. Q to quit from the help. Right, guys? Now, capital Z, small z to change color. Here, black color will have. Small z, it will become red. Right? So, small z, you need to change instead of red, we need green. Capital Z, right? See, guys, here, 0 black, 1 red, 2 green, 3 yellow, 4 blue, and those all stuff will have here. So, we need green, right? Keep it 2. Then hit enter. Then it will become green. Small z, black. I hope you got it, guys. Right? You need to change the color, capital Z, and we need red, then keep it red. 1, red, 0, black, right? Okay, right. So capital B, bold. Running process, we are going to bold. See, guys, top is a running process now. If you're using capital B, it is going to bold. See, small b, it will highlight the process. Running process, small b, maximum capital B, small b, both are same to identify the running process. Okay, capital B, it is going to bold the running process. Small b, it will highlight the running process. Small b. Got it, guys? It is going to highlight. So top command, it's running. So clear. So like this, different options will have. L to hide the load average. So this first line will have, right? L to hide the load average. Again, unhide the load average. L is option. Small l. Okay. L hiding load average, unhiding load average. L T to hide the task and CPU, to unhide the task and CPU. T task. M to hide the memory, to unhide the memory. Okay. Like this, options will have different options. If you want, you can make a note. తెలుగులో చెప్పాలా బ్రో? నేను తెలుగులో చెప్తాడు కంప్లైంట్లు పోతున్నాయి బ్రో. ఓకే మిస్టర్ శివ. So if I'm trying to talking in Telugu, so many North Indians and then yes, all the like many peoples will have in our classroom, right? If I'm trying to teaching in Telugu, even if I'm using Telugu word, also people they're like they're thinking, okay, so I'm trying to teaching the entire class in Telugu because of that reason. Okay, both చెప్పాలా? ఏంది both చెప్పేది? That is what, no issues. సో మీరు తెలుగులో అడగండి, నేను తెలుగులో చెప్తాను ఒకళ్ళకి ఇద్దరికి అయితే. ఓకే. See, Akshay, he's saying I'm trying to talking in Telugu. I'm not getting, sir. So because of that reason, see, I'm not using any Telugu words in class. Okay. So what I need to do, tell me. We'll start new Telugu batch separately, okay? If you need, then try to communicate to management. They are going to start new Telugu batch. Right. Guys, Rahul, I doesn't have that much of knowledge in emojis, man. I'm unable to understand what you're saying. Right, guys. So question mark, right? Question mark, help. Question mark or H, whatever if you want to can use, you'll get help. So LTM already we discussed. L means to hide the load average, to unhide the load average. T, to hide the task, to unhide the task. M, to hide the memory, to unhide the memory. Right, guys? I hope you got it, right? So one numerical one, how many codes will have? 2 codes, right? But it's showing only one. Both the codes, we need to split. Just simple one. It is going to split CPU 0, CPU 1. So numerical 1, right, guys? It is going to split the CPU cores. Numerical 1, right? Yes, screen refresh rate. Right? Yes, screen refresh. Got it, guys? B, already we discussed running process. It is going to bold and it is going to highlight. So screen refresh rate 3.02 something you can give, 5.0 something like this you can give. Screen refresh rate it will provide you. Okay. So refreshing. So B, bold. Small b, it is going to highlight running process. Small b. Capital B, bold. It is going to bold. Okay. So capital B. H, let's see, guys, here. Capital H. So running process wise, it is going to sort. Got it? Top is running process. Running process wise, it is going to sort. Capital H. See, the top command, it's in top now. Okay. For sorting. Right? And then U, to filter the users. Here we'll have student and root both, right? We need only student users process. Small u or capital U, whatever if you want, you can use. Okay. Student. Only student user process we are going to build. Again, U, root. Only root user process we are going to get. So U, all the process will get. Student and root both will have, and both the process we can able to get here. So I hope you got it. M, memory consumption wise we are going to sort. Capital M. So like more memory consumption first it will show you, like this memory consumption wise we can able to sort. Okay, right? So P, CPU consumption, right? P, process. So more CPU utilization 7.8. P, capital M, memory consumption. P, CPU utilization. More CPU utilization wise it is going to sort. K, to kill the process. Already we discussed kill command, kill all, and pkill commands, right? Like the same way you can manage the process with the help of top command also. Let's see how. K, it will ask to us to whom we need to kill. So for example, we need to kill top command. Top command, process ID 14253. Then by default signal 15. According to your requirement, you can give any signal 15, 9, 19, whatever if you want to can, right? So I'm using 15. It got killed. We are back to terminal. It got terminated. We are back to terminal. So I hope you got it, guys, how we need to manage the process with the top command again. Whatever, if you want to can use, if you want to can use Control C, Control Z. If you want to can use kill command to manage the process, kill all command, pkill command, top command also you can use to manage the process. Those all the options we are going to use frequently. This R I will teach you after some time, maybe after 4 to 5 minutes. I'll teach you what is exactly this R. You don't know about renice and nice. After completing the nice and renice command, then we'll discuss about R. So W to save current display configuration, Q to quit from the top command. That's it. If you need more details, top man space top, then you'll get the more details related to top command. So clear? I hope you got it, guys, about top. Top is a one kind of monitoring tool. We can able to monitor and we can able to manage the operating system process. Clear? Good. So actually this is all one chapter. Okay. We have one more small chapter, how to assign the CPU priority to the process. How to assign the CPU priority, low priority, high priority, medium priority, like this. We can able to assign the CPU priority to the process. Priority means, for example, in your home, maybe you'll have a function, you're called to CM. So how you're going to give the priority for CM? Always we are going to give the first priority for him. Like the same way here, we can able to provide the priority to the process, CPU priority to the process. CPU, it is going to provide the priority according to our requirement. We can able to define the priority. I hope you got it, guys, right? So let's see here. So guys, coming to CPU priorities, 0 is a normal priority. 0 is a normal priority. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this till we'll have 19. It's a low priority. 19 is a very low priority. Got it, guys? -1, -2, -3, -4, -20 till this is high priority. -20 is a very high priority. While you are trying to executing the process, while you are trying to executing the command, CPU, it will provide normal priority for this command. So it's not going to provide any special priority for that particular process. By default, CPU, what it will do, it will provide the normal priority to the process. I hope you got it. 0 is a normal priority, right? 1 to 19, those all low priority. 19 is a very low priority. Got it? -1 to -20, high priority. -20 is a very high priority, right? Here in this chapter, we are going to discuss two commands. One is nice, another one is renice. Nice and renice, that's it. Okay, got it, guys? Nice and renice. So NIC and re-NIC. So clear, guys? Nice and renice command we are going to use to provide the priority to the process, right? So clear? I hope you got it. Then go to here. Then how to check the priority to the process? How we need to check the priority to the process, right? Using PS command. So PS, guys, what we are discussing now, this option, it's very, very important. Remember, no need to remember all the PS related options. You can remember this option, that's enough. According to your requirement, you can filter the fields. PS AXO. PS AXO depends upon our requirement. We can able to filter the fields, right? So usually if you're executing, for example, PS AUX command, you'll get more than 10 to 11 fields. Doesn't need those all the fields. We need to filter only few fields according to our requirement, right? PS space AXO, I need PID field, process ID field we need, then command pattern we need, commands field we need, and we are discussing about priority to the process, right? CPU priority. So nice values we need. Nice value field we need, okay? Hyphen sort is equal to nice. We are trying to sorting the output with the help of nice field. Then we'll get the proper information. We can able to understand properly. Got it, guys? PS space AXO PID field. Your wish. If you want, you can use virtual field also, CPU field also, memory field also, your wish. But we need only 3 fields. That's enough. So AXO is an option. PID, command pattern, nice value. Then we are going to sort with the help of nice value. Then hit enter. Guys, total operating system background running process we are getting. If you need only current terminal process, current session process, it's very simple. Remove X. That's enough. AO is enough. No need X. So you'll get current terminal process. If you're using X, all the operating system process we are going to get, right? I hope you got it, guys. PS space AO is enough. So in this terminal, we execute, guys. XOR means it's related to graphical user interface process. Okay, no need to bother about this. Okay, bash is a terminal we are using. We execute before su command, ps command. Right, got it, guys? Now we are trying to executing one process. It may be sleep command, it may be gedit, whatever it may be, you can use. Okay, for example, we are executing gedit file1, then ampersand. Ampersand means this gedit process, it will run into background. It's into sleeping status by default. Okay, then hit enter. See, guys, here. So it's running, right? So it's working now. Okay, so got it, guys? So now it's working. Okay, it's running into background. If you want, you can check the jobs. So gedit file1, it's turning into background. Okay, it is not going to disturb on foreground, right? Okay, so let's execute ps AO PID command. See, guys, gedit process ID and nice value 0 means while you are trying to executing the process, by default it will provide you CPU, it is going to provide the normal priority. Okay, got it? Akash -PSEF, it's a standard options. Your wish, if you want, you can use according to your requirement. Okay, but this is an option, depends upon your requirement. You can filter the fields, how many fields you need, what kind of fields you need, you can mention and then you can filter it. Okay, right. So gedit will have the multiple options for with PS, guys. Already we discussed man page yesterday, right? We'll have the number of the examples with PS, right? We can use any option. It may be Unix option, it may be BSD option, it may be GNU options, your wish. Right, guys? Right. So gedit, it's having normal priority. Gedit, it having normal priority. Okay. Now we are trying to executing sleep command, guys. Okay. Sleep, for example, 10,000 ampersand, the sleep command, it will run into the background. Got it? So now our intention is we need to provide the priority to this particular process, CPU utilization. It may be low utilization, it may be high utilization. It depends upon our requirement. We need to provide the priority. If you try to executing this command normally, so CPU, it is going to provide the normal priority, but we need to provide the low priority for this process. How? It's a very simple. Nice is a command -n number. 19 is a very low priority for sleep command. I hope you got it, guys. Okay. తెలుగులో ఎప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ చేస్తానా సో ప్లీజ్ ట్రై టు కమ్యూనికేట్ టు మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఓకే శివ సో నైస్ స్పేస్ -n n means priority. So we are trying to providing the 19 is a CPU low priority. We are very low priority for sleep command, right? Then hit enter. I hope you got it, guys, right? So now execute PSAO command. What happens? See, sleep, it's in bottom because low CPU utilization for sleep command. So it's CPU, it's providing the very low priority for the sleep command. So it's in bottom now, right? Then I hope you're clear, guys. While we are trying to executing the process, how we need to provide the CPU priority to the process. Then if it is an existing process, right? For example, sleep command is an existing process. Then instead of 19, I need to provide -20, very high priority for this process. Renice is a command. Renice is a command. -n is an option. -20 is a priority value. It's a very high priority. But here you should not provide sleep command. You need to provide sleep commands process ID. See, we need to provide sleep commands process ID, guys. So old priority is 19, new priority is -20. It got changed. Now let's execute PS command. Sleep, before it's in bottom, now it's in top. -20. It's a high priority. CPU, it's providing the very high CPU utilization for sleep command. So I hope you got it, guys. How we need to provide the priority to the process. We can able to manage the priorities according to our requirement. Maybe unnecessary process, it is utilizing the more CPU, then you can manage using nice and renice command. I hope you're clear. Yes, no? So how to provide the CPU priority to the process? Okay. So renice is a command. Very good, Akhil. Okay. So now, guys, if you execute PSAUX, sleep 10,000 will have, before S you'll have less than symbol, right? Here before S, small l will have. Did you observe? Before S will have small s. What is this? Those all stuff. We know S means in sleeping. Process interruptible. If we having D, process uninterruptible. If we having K, process killable. And what about the small s? What about this L? And what about this less than? You know, plus means current running process. right? Let's see here. Small s. Very good. Very good. Super. Manigantan, right? Okay. You didn't understand about nice and re-nice. Simple, man. While you are trying to providing the priority for new process, nice command. If you try to modifying the priority for existing process, re-nice command. That's it. You're welcome. Let's see, guys, here. So jobs, percentile, job number, or string value. Job name also you can give, it's not a problem, okay? So let's see here. Status. D, uninterruptible. R, running or runnable. Already we discussed yesterday with the help of the diagram. S, process, sleeping, uninterruptible. T, stop, small t, also stop. Okay, if you're having small t, stop or tracking, whatever, if you want to get a trace. W, actually we doesn't have W in 7.0 onwards. W, it's only for old versions, old kernel versions. Okay. X, dead. Z, zombie. Okay, so Akash, maybe you're called to one VIP, you're giving some priority for VIP. Then what is the difference between normal peoples and VIP? I hope you got it right. You are trying to providing the priority for VIP because it's a very important for you. Yes, means CPU, it is going to provide the more utilization for that particular process to complete as soon as possible. Got it? Right. That is what I'm saying. CPU utilization. That is what I'm saying, the man. The day is like from past 10 to 15 minutes onwards. What I'm saying, nice is a command to provide the CPU priority. CPU priority means CPU utilization only, na? Yes, no. CPU, it is going to provide the priority. Clearly, it is saying it's a old priority, it's a new priority like that, right? Before, while we are trying to modifying the priority, clearly it is saying it's a old priority. This is a new priority like this. We got a message, right? See here. I hope you got it, right? Very good. No issues, no issues. Okay. So less than high priority. Let's see here. How to provide the priority, guys? PSAOX. So sleep command minus 20, right? High priority will have, right? See, you'll have yes less than. So this less than, it will indicate it's a high priority. This process, it's having high CPU priority. Right, we'll modify renice hyphen n 19, right? Then process ID 42124. Old priority is a minus 20, new priority is a 19, right? What happened? Instead of less than, we got a capital N. Capital N means low priority. I hope you got it, guys, right? Capital N means low priority. Capital L has PS locked into memory. Okay. Yes, session leader. Small s. See, guys. We'll have small s, bash. It's turning into background as well as small s will have a session later. Small s means, right? Small l, multi-threaded plus current running process. Guys, this documents, it's available into your Google Drive link. ఎప్పుడైనా చూస్తే తెలుసుద్ది ఏమున్నాయా లేవా అనేది. So people will ask about Google Drive link from the day one onwards, but no one they are going to bother about the Google Drive link if we share. So I don't know. So what is session? What you are doing? What is a session in Linux? Already we discussed what is session. It's a definition, right? PS command man page. It will support Unix syntax, BSD syntax, and GNU syntax, right? And this is a command, guys. Usually it's very useful command for administrator. PS-P, and here we are going to provide the process ID to find out. So this HTTP process, it will associate with how many processes. For example, we are installing web server. This web server, it's associating with how many process we can able to find out with the help of this command PS-P, and then we need to provide the server process ID. Service process ID. So PS-P, then PID-no E time. This process from how many days we are using, from how long we are using. So we can able to find out. Usually those commands, it's a bit important for administrator. All right, guys. Apart from this, we'll have the number of the option. Go through the manual page. You'll get all the options with examples. Man space PS. Then you'll get the many examples. So you can do the practical session with the help of that examples. I hope you all got it, guys. Yes, no, right? So let's see here how we need to, for example, let's see here. Again, top R we discussed, right? We need to discuss R. Simple, guys. R means you can change the priority for that. Got it? So top command priority I need to change. 42252. Right? Nice value. 19, 20, 1, 4, whatever if you want again, you according to your requirement. We need to provide the high priority -20. That's it. Got it? So I hope you're clear, guys. So that is our option. You can manage the priority. Q to quit from the top. That's it. So clear, guys? Right. Actually, we have one service called SSH, right? Let's check the status of SSH. This is a process ID. So PS-P dollar and then process ID you can provide here. It will show you. Actually, it is not associated with any other process. If it is associating with any other process, it will show you list. Then PS-P, then PID-O E time. PID-O E time. That's it, no? Past 1 hour, we are using this SSHD process because it's got started from along with the operating system, right? It got exact 1 hour, right? 4:35. Actually, we started 3:35. I think 3:40. So exactly 1 hour. I hope you got it right. So like this, we can able to find out those all stuff. Okay, clear, guys? So this is enough, guys. Guys, we are discussing basic Linux. In basic Linux, this is more than enough. What we discuss as of now, right? I didn't find you before. May I know your name? I didn't find you before here. You're new to this class. Hmm? And then you are listening like past 1 hour onwards. Huh? So you need to attend Arcal. But by mistake you came. Then simply you are sitting and then you are attending the session. So you didn't say anything. Are you able to understand what I'm trying to teaching? No? How you can able to understand? Huh? So you belongs to Arcal. If you're attending Linux class, how you can able to understand? Yes. Guys, give me 1 minute. Boss, Rahul, load average of CPU we are discussing. Okay. So you need to know the CPU load of your server. PS command is enough. Otherwise, execute systemctl status and those all stuff. Then easily you can able to find out with the help of that process ID. Right? You got it. We discuss about CPU load average. We are not discussing about server load average. Server or service? Give me clarity. Server means again CPU only. Server means again GPU only. We are discussing about CPU only. Okay. How to know the CPU load average? Uptime or top command? How to increase and those all stuff doesn't need. Okay. So if you having more load, then automatically CPU utilization it is going to. So clear. Did you complete elastic load balancers? Auto scaling. There you'll have everything. Okay. Right. Okay. So let's see guys here. So those all we are not going to cover hard disk load and those all stuff. So, okay. That is what, this is a command you can use. Who's that guy? Akash. Before we discuss now. So this is a command you can use. You'll get the like all the related process, particular process. For example, if you're having web server, this web server, it associating with how many process we can able to know. This is a command. Okay. Right. So, okay. So Rahul, he asked before, sir, how we need to find out exactly that is belongs to 1 minute, 5 minutes or 15 minutes like this, right? So it's possible in GUI mode. Let's see here. Genome hyphen system hyphen monitor. Genome hyphen system hyphen monitor. So guys, this is a tool. As of now, we discuss with the help of PS command, kill command, we manage the process. With the help of this tool also, we can able to manage the process, right? So which command we need to execute? Genome hyphen system hyphen monitor. Monitor, then it enters. You'll get one window here. So let's see guys here. So file systems, utilization. Okay, so I'll do one thing. I'll connect DVD also, then you are going to get clear. Right. Right, guys? This is root utilization. This is boot utilization, home utilization, and then our hard disk utilization. Right? I hope you got it, right? Okay. Then file system, free space we can find. See, guys, resources history, CPU history, 2 cores, how much we used, percentage wise, we can able to find out. Memory and swap. So maybe approximately 45, 46% memory we utilized, but swap is free because if it is full, then swap, it will provide the support to the RAM. And the network sending and receiving packets. Okay. And go to process. See, guys, here. This is for 1 minute. This is for 5 minutes. This is for 15 minutes. Got it. Then you can manage the process. Right click and kill, change priority, whatever if you want to can do. Stop, continue, whatever if you want to can do. So I hope you all got it, guys. Okay. Using this tool, we can able to manage the process according to our requirement. Okay. Yeah, welcome, Rahul. So clear? Guys, simple. I'll give the information, no need to bother. While I'm trying to discussing different concept, suddenly I'm unable to provide the answer, right? Because here we'll have many peoples that belongs to non-IT, right? Yes, no. Many peoples that belongs to non-IT, they don't know about IT, they're looking for IT jobs. So my intention is those peoples also, they need to understand entire concept. Okay. Sometimes, right? Sometimes it will happen. No need to worry. Okay. What we discuss as of now about process management, that is enough to crack the interview. Got it, guys. But you need to do the practice. Without practice, don't expect. Okay. Top versus system monitoring means you can say, but if this is graphical user interface, we can able to execute in command also. It's not a problem. Okay. It's almost the same. Okay. Very good. Manikantan. Good. Okay, guys. So this is all about process management. Okay, we completed 11th chapter. That's it, guys. If you're having any doubts, any questions, please. Otherwise, we'll start new chapter. Yes, 10 minutes time we'll have. Okay. Okay, 15 minutes time we'll have. Okay. Right, guys. System monitor can also be used in CLI. Boss, top command is a system monitor only, na? So graphical user interface tools, we are unable to execute in CLI already, you know. It won't support genome like genome. If it doesn't have any graphical mode, we are unable to execute genome. Right, okay. Can you provide the scripting manual or manual reference? Scripting means, guys, actually, I follow official content only. In official content, what kind of like concepts will have, those concepts only I'm trying to teaching to you peoples. Right? So I'm not going to follow any other content. So officially Red Hat, what kind of like content they're providing for us, those contents only we are trying to discussing here. Okay. Old topic will QA for 10 minutes. Okay. I need to ask old topic related questions for 10 minutes. So no issues. I'll ask. Okay. Rahul, you can, if you get the like official book, then you can find there you'll have the scripting that's enough for administrator. That's enough for administrator. Maybe if you need to learn strong, like good knowledge in scripting, my suggestion is better to learn C language or otherwise core Java. Then you can write your own script. It's not a big deal. Right? No shell scripting where you'll have shell scripting in official content. If you want, you can check. You'll have, I think, RH3 or 134 book, 134. Second book, not in first book. That is official book, guys. Actually, search in Google, you'll get. Okay. So usually I should not say those all stuff, right? So you'll get like official contents. It's not a problem. Otherwise, go through any popular YouTube channel. Then otherwise, try to communicate to the management. They will inform you when they are going to start the scripting sessions. My suggestion is no need to learn scripting, especially if you're having the good knowledge in core Java or C language. What I'm trying to teaching, those principles you can follow, you can write your own scripts. That's enough. Got it? Clear? Usually what I'm trying to teaching to you people, it's inspired by official content only. No need to bother. What kind of like scripts we need, we are going to discuss maybe end of the session. End of the session means after completing the classes, like maybe last chapter. For 2 days, we are going to discuss. I will give you AWK command information also. Awk command information also, how we need to work with Awk command. But guys, I'm providing basic information only. So frankly, I'm saying, so we'll teach that, this. I'm not going to give any false commitments to you peoples. This is basic Linux, but here we are discussing more than basics. It's not like this 4 to 5 commands we completed, and then after that basic Linux it got completed, and then go and do the practice. Okay. Shell scripting only, because many of the yes, people, they will ask shell scripting in many of the interviews. It's so, but actually, as per my knowledge, first they're not going to start the interview with shell scripting. They are going to start the interview with basics only. So this course exactly, it's suitable for who's doing AWS and DevOps and data science. If you looking the job, especially as a Linux administrator, so you should do the Linux admin course. This is not enough. So here, most of the people, maybe if you're trying to attending the AWS interview, if you're trying to attending the DevOps interview, people, they will ask you basics related to Linux. So here we are going to cover those all stuff. Okay. See, actually, if you're looking for DevOps, better to learn YML and JSON scripts. It's very useful for you, right? And if you're having the good knowledge, at least basic knowledge in Python, you can rock. While you are trying to writing the dynamic inventories at the time, we are going to use Python only in DevOps. And Ansible will have the inventories, right? So while you are trying to writing the dynamic inventories, in dynamic inventories, people, they are going to use Python. Static inventories for doing the practice, but coming to real-time environment, people, they will write dynamic inventories. I hope you got it, right? Those all interlink, man. We are unable to complete into same session, same class. Different courses, it will interlink to Linux. Got it? Yes. Those loops I will teach you. Don't worry. Okay. For loop and while loop, I'll teach you. Don't worry. Okay. Guys, scripting means it's not like this. We'll discuss first of all basics, then for loop, while, if statements. Those three we'll discuss. Frequently we are going to use those loops, right? And then with the help of for loop, we are going to do the programs. How to DevOps interviews. That is what I'm saying. This is enough for basics. Maybe if you're looking the job, especially in Linux administrator, it's not enough. So you need servers. You need to know how to deploy the services. Right. My suggestion is, while you're doing the DevOps, before you need to complete Linux admin. Anyway, here we are teaching Linux free, guys, but especially in DevOps, usually we are going to use different tools to deploy the application automatically, right? If you don't know how to deploy the application, how you are going to write the inventories and those all stuff to deploy? The basic stuff we need, right? How to install packages, how to configure the services, we should know, right? Yes. Then we are going to attach the automation tools with those concepts, and we are simplifying our work. That's it. Simple, guys. If they're introducing one new technology, new tool means for reducing the work. That's it. I am. So at present, only 2 courses I'm teaching. That's it. Okay. So DevOps, I'm not teaching at present. AWS and Linux, both I'm teaching now. Right. The 2 AWS hands-on session I'm teaching. Okay. Manikantan. Right. And that too, at present, I'm teaching only offline. Right. Okay. So yes, guys, if you're having any doubts, any questions, guys, if you're perfect in Linux, AWS and DevOps, 100% you're going to get the job, man. The two with good salary, good package. But at present, you know, the situation is bad. So this is a time to learn. This is a time to learn. For freshers, guys, already you know, Manikantan, you are asking like this question, so what I need to give the answer, tell me. For freshers means always freshers only. Huh? So freshers only, but few people's there. We have the jobs on AWS in Linux for freshers. So for DevOps, at least you should have 1 year experience minimum. They will consider. If you want, to can search in Google. If you're looking for a DevOps resume, you are not going to get fresher resume from Google. If you want, to can check. Got it. You know very well, but you are asking the like this questions. What kind of answer I need to give? Tell me. So got it, guys. So what you are doing, the courses in Naresh IT, that's enough to get the job. but you need to focus on it. Got it? Little bit inspiration speech I have given for 10 to 15 minutes now. Okay. So Rahul and Manikantan, very good man. So you both of you are going to ask the questions every day. So really, it's good. I think you are doing good practice. Right. Good. Rahul and Manikantan. And where is my favorite student? She's available. Huh? So are you there? Devyani? Speech was Akash. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Akash. So she's available, man. She is available. Devyani, she is my favorite student. So she's going to start exactly from 3:30 onwards, and then still there she's going to continue until we close the session. Yes, Devyani, I know about you. Huh? Yes, guys. Clear. So anyway, if I'm trying to starting new concept, 10 minutes, it's not enough to complete. Then we'll start from tomorrow onwards. Okay. Right. So tomorrow, how to manage the services and demands we'll discuss tomorrow. It's a small chapter only. Okay. But it's a very useful. Yes, I know about you, Devyani. So you're going to attend from 3:30 to end of the session. So Manikantan, he's saying you're left. Because of that reason, I'm saying to Manikantan, she's a very good student. She's not going to do like that. So, right? Okay, guys. So I hope you're clear. Guys, those all the documents, it's available into Google Drive link. దాన్ని ఓపెన్ చేయండి ఎప్పుడైనా అప్పుడప్పుడైనా. Yeah, welcome, Devyani. Right. Okay, guys, see you. Guys, your friends, your family members, maybe if they're looking Linux class, especially Imran sir's Linux class. So we are going to start from 5th onwards, new batch. So try to inform them and then utilize the opportunity from Naresh IT. Got it? Right. Okay, guys, thank you. See you. You can attend new batch, but you need to pay again. Right. So try to communicate to the management. I don't know exactly. Okay. So I think Rajeshwari madam, she's an admin for this class. Try to communicate to her and then she's going to give the clarity for you. Right. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye. Take care. 6 to 7:30 new batch timings evening. Srikanth. Bye guys. Bye Akash.